My name is Andre Harris, and I'm a video game designer who specializes in the genres of action, adventure, and platforming. And I'm a fan of Sonic the Hedgehog, so my target audience is Sega of America. Even though the main headquarters in Japan is where the Sonic games are made, I think that the American team is just as capable of doing what the Japanese team does, such as how well the team did with Sonic Mania and Sonic Mania Plus. And how multiple fans of the Sonic franchise can make their own Sonic games, or what they're referred to as fan games, such as the example of this fan game called Sonic Utopia. What makes this company important to me is how your main mascot and my childhood hero, Sonic the Hedgehog, has been the source of inspiration for my artwork, and I want him to be the inspiration for my game ideas. My goal is to join Sega by using examples of my education at Full Sail University and show my core values and my ever-burning passion that can align with yours. I'm willing to show my creativity and knowledge of both official and fan-made Sonic games and see what can be done for the franchise of the future and help create games that can be similar to Sonic Mania that was released in 2017, which was made by fans of Sonic. I want to tell you why I want to be a game designer, why I love video games, and what drew me into them even more. As I learned that it's important to relate to fellow gamers, I would love to be hands-on with Sega on current and future projects, and possibly even talk about past projects of yours and see if it's possible to come up with ideas, including ones that may involve recycling the concepts of old games such as Sonic Adventure, Sonic Adventure 2, and the Genesis games that were released in the 1990s, which is Sonic the Hedgehog 1 and Sonic the Hedgehog 2. And also be able to mix the concepts of those old games with the concepts of new games, such as Sonic Forces, Sonic Generations, Team Sonic Racing, and Sonic Generations. And this is what led me to Full Sail University, and why I had cemented my dream of becoming a game designer to my very heart and soul, pursuing the career that I wanted. While attending Full Sail University, I learned how to use the feedback of other video game designers that I work with directly, as well as use the feedback of fans about past games and use it to help create future games. My call to action will be for you to see the balance of potential I see in myself and what I could do to release it until it becomes what's meant to be in my eyes, for me and the company. I'll ask you to understand my hopes and dreams for the future, working together and try to take on the risks on the ideas that I can come up with. Again, I'm someone with hundreds of ideas that I'm ready to share with the world, because I think it's time for me to share my ideas with others and not let this opportunity go to waste. Thank you.